What's up, bro? No, I had to fix some stuff. It was bugging. I don't know why. I think I have to fix a new computer because my shit doesn't. It can't even stream properly. Latif Fuhrmann. You're German, right? Fuhrmann, like you guys say. Hello, bro. Dark. Nice to see you, bro. No, bro, I'm from India. Oh, okay, my bad, bro. I thought you because your name is Furrahman, or what's called, and yeah, nothing wrong with your life. Seems nice. Appreciate, bro. Yeah. No, but I really think I have to fix a new computer. My PC is not good at all. I got struggles with streaming, and yeah, it's quite laggy for me. Okay, let's see. Hello, Ryan. Nice to see you again, bro. Let me do this. All good, bro. How are you, bro? We got New Year's tonight. Will you guys be doing anything special? PC doing the heavy. Yes, correct. I'm not gonna do anything special for New Year's. I'm just gonna go to my grandma, and yeah. What's up, Aden? How will you guys celebrate New Year's? Are you going out to party or staying home? Let me take up top step as well. We are having barbecue at home. Oh, that's super nice, man. That sounds good. Staying at home. Okay. Yeah. Good. I'm not the guy that likes to go out and party, to be honest. I'm also a stay at home guy. Staying at home. Yeah. I'm gonna watch the fireworks. Yeah. So at 23:55, usually we go down or we go out, and then we just wait and watch the fireworks for like 5 minutes. Then we go in, and that was it. Market open in 30 minutes. Traders don't have time for party. They get so many things to do. Yeah. True, bro. I'm excited for next year. So, yeah. What is your bias for today? Okay. Shall we start? So, yesterday I just merged this day's profile with the previous one because they are basically they are overlapping. We have this profile, and from pre-market, let me just do this. And pre-market says that we are at 25,700, so we are back up here at point control. I think I'm looking for a short because we shifted lower. And yeah, we'll have to see, to be honest. And on top of that, if you drag the profile, you can see, look at all of this delta aggression from the sellers. So if this zone fails, well, then maybe we go to the space, to be honest, because yeah. So I'm looking for short, but let's see. What's up, bro? Happy New Year, love from Philippines. Happy New Year to you, bro. So I am bearish also. Nice. This could be a huge failed auction. We will have to see. Just wait and see, to be honest. But look at this. Failing buyers. So and aggressive sellers that are winning. This could be an entry also. Who knows? Hello. Aden, your messages get retracted for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, so game plan is to wait and see. If we push lower, then I will just try to get take a trend model. And yeah, if we push higher, we'll see. Already absorption on the key level, bro. It might be going down at the market. Yeah, exactly. So this, that's what I said about here. So look at this absorption, like you said. Aggressive sellers are winning. Who knows? Maybe this is the prime time to enter. Why the fuck am I getting? I have no idea, bro. Market opens in 10 minutes. Oh. Yesterday I tried some hyper scalping with 1 micro just to get a feeling for it. I got stopped out, I won. I got stopped out, I won. But yeah, just for testing purpose. So I think I took like 20 trades yesterday just to try. Unfortunately, just accumulating at that level, it might be a reload model. Yeah, let's see. I will be trying to trade more today since we had unemployment claims and yeah, feels like we could get something good today. Can also do this. We accept the bro. Maybe we could retest of poke and we go higher. If this zone fails, and from what we saw on this zone, if all of this sell aggression fails now, well, damn. For now, I'm bearish, but if you break above this absorption, I would jump on some buys. Let's see. Yeah, could be a plan, actually. Okay. 7 minutes left. Let's see. I have been studying this whole day from 8 o'clock till now. So Look at this buy aggression. Went through it. Bro, do you trade with Propform or your personal account? Propform with Top Step. And if you saw yesterday, it's quite shit. I couldn't stop my position. Like I couldn't take profits. I couldn't drag my stop loss. But I think it seems like it was just on my end. Like some people didn't have this issue. What is this range you're saying? 30-day, 40-day? Do you mean on the right side? That's the 40 range chart. Wait, I don't think you can see it. Essentially, if you press here and then you press range, then you can put in 40. But if you mean on the left side, this is 3 months of data. And that's a 5-minute chart. Hello, Martin. Nice to see you, bro. Previous day POC is close and I haven't hit yet. Maybe we hit it in open, then we go back down. Previous day is close. POC is close and oh yeah. On the right, that's the 40 range chart. Yeah, Top Step messed up nowadays. I agree, bro. Hopefully today I can close my position when it's in profit. Took a $30 loss because of that. But after the stream, I took 2 trades. And it went super good. Like, I had no issues. Maybe I can show you guys the trade. I forgot from where. Damn, wait. Why is my laptop shutting down? I can't see. Okay, wait 1 second, guys. Let's try this. On the right, yes, this. Okay, wait. Let me do this. So here, 40 range. You press here, then you go to range, then you put in 40. That's it. Okay, let me do this now. Damn, I forgot where I took the trade from. This was the trade I missed. I think I took the trade from here. So on this retest, oops, something like this. And then next trade was this trade down to POC. But I took profits around here. Okay, I draw the volume profile on the swing points from high to low, from low to high. I also draw the volume profile on the accumulation here. Is that enough? Yeah. Mark out. If I want data, just logically, if I want data from this swing. Because when price comes up, I want to see where sellers might step in. Mark out the swing. If I want data on this whole consolidation area, let's mark out that. Then I get all the data. You mark out depending on the data you want. But yeah, that is correct. But of course, as Fabio says on your video that I watched, so we wait to market to be stable, so we don't trade the open, only maybe after. it depends. If you're confident, if you're aggressive, because now, for example, I want to be a seller on this zone. So look at this: aggressive buyers getting trapped, aggressive sellers that win. Take the trade here on the retest, stop loss above, before market open. We talked about this like I think 5 minutes ago. Some guy also said this could be a trade, and you can take that also. You don't have to wait for market open, but of course, if you wait for market open, less chance of getting wicked out because it would just explode directly in one direction or it goes both ways. One minute left. Okay, so POC from this day. Okay, market open. I'm just gonna test execution here to see if it works good so I can close my position. Okay, it seems like it's not working to close still. Why the fuck is this shit? I can't close it. Okay. And can I? No. Gonna try to refresh it. I'm negative $30. I can't close this. What's up with Top Step? Is it just mine? I still can't close it. Oh my god. Maybe if I put. Yeah. I don't know, man. Super weird. Everything works on your end. I'm telling you guys, I need to fix a new PC. This shit. How is it? Some guy told me that I should fix a VPN or something to connect myself to Chicago, and I don't know. Maybe it works if I put. I'm gonna do something like this. Maybe this will work. Enter on that absorption retest candle for short. Yeah. This looks good. Okay, I'm positive now, but I don't count this trade. To be honest, I like Apex more now. They have an insane discount, and if you use Rhythmic it with them, you can directly trade them. Okay, damn. Yeah, I will look into it then. I think I'm going with my funded futures though because I saw that they also have something integrated. Can I close this position? Like I'm up now, but I can't. Okay. Oh, it let me close. Okay. Oh, but Apex have trailing. I hate it. Yeah, I don't like that. Also, you on top step? Yes. It didn't let me close. I just wanted to try fast to close, but it doesn't work. But it's fine. Who cares about this account? I'm just gonna practice on it. I want to feel a real account. I know that on a what's called sim account, you don't feel the emotions. I want to train the emotions. That's the thing. That's why I use this account instead of I found FTP. FT. Okay, I found Lucid and Alpha Futures have very good plans and they're cheap and now the discounts and then not. Okay, that's also nice. I will look into all of that because this shit doesn't work. Can't you integrate Topstep on Deepcharts and execute? No, they use their own data feed. They don't use DX feed or Rhythmic. Do you have the platform connected to Deep? No. And what do you think is the best platform? To be honest, ask all of these guys in the chat. I don't know. I've used Topstep like all the time. That's only the platform I went with. Or I tried Apex one time, but I didn't like the trailing thing. Trailing stop loss. I really hated the fact that you can be up 500 on a trade, and the trailing stop loss is also now higher. But then if you lose the trade, technically, if you go break even, you lost technically 500. If you lose the trade, say 500, you lost 1,000. So it's like that rule is like basically a go fuck yourself rule. Topstep have nice rules and awesome platform, but they are struggling now with them. Platform is often down. Yeah, I don't know. It's yo, whoever is, did somebody take this trade that we said before? It was like we said, this could be prime time to enter. That shit is paying right now. Okay, I'm gonna focus on trying to trade. You should have tried the Apex one day to pass evil, bro. Yeah. Yep, looks Discord, bro. Yep, the biggest thing with Apex, the 20 account. I'm out. Good trade. Did anyone see that? Or did anyone take that? This is one of Fabio's model. So buy aggression in one candle, sell aggression in the other candle, retest, and a simple 1-to-1. Wait, for some reason, you see like this also? This time I got my profits taken here. Fucking hell. So it's not even aligned with the same. When I put my take profit, I put it at 17 here. And 17 is up here. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. TP1 hit, break, nice. Now going, nice, well done, bro. They are on scale, let's just say you average, that's good job, nice. Thank you, bro. Also out of 900. Good shit, guys. We all got paid. Well done. What was the setup again? My entry was here. Retest of this. Stop loss above. And the risk should be 1 to 1. But I got filled here for my take profit for some reason. Just a retest. That's the momentum play. Bro, it is fucked. The fact you can't connect the profit firm account to Deep, you should be... Yeah. I know. It's fine, bro. It's just we just practice now. It's all right. Thanks to your vids, man. Really happy from Fabi, game changer. I'm glad you like it, bro. It's good. Yo, I think this point of control. We are in, but have in mind, value low. Volume is still up here for some reason. So, okay, now we switched. Now volume is lower. B shape. Most likely a trend day. So let's try to, or I would. I'm not gonna say what you guys should do. Okay, so you don't lose when I lose. But this is my idea. Maybe something lower. So what can we see here? Big sell aggression, holding. Your entry could have been on this algo thing. Deep effort. Sell aggression again. We got the battle here. They are defending it. So sellers had control here. Buyers have control here. I know what I'm gonna do. Do you guys do backtesting session together in the Discord group? No, I haven't done anything. But I've done like personal backtesting with specific persons. Not like in sitting a call, but we talk about ideas and the findings, and then we test it. But no. Well, are you guys interested in doing some backtesting sessions? I can organize it for you guys if you want on like weekends, like on Saturday or something, where we go through some backtesting. I think that would be really helpful. Okay, sure. I can make a poll in Discord where you guys can, so we can see how many people are interested. But if only 3 people want it, I can do it. It's fine. But I want to know how many are really interested, because then I have to make sure it works, because I think many will have questions and it's hard to answer everyone. Yo, how you doing? Very good, bro. I'm here. How are you? Okay, sure. Why not? We can do it. Okay, back to trading. Do we all see what's happening? Buyers defending here. Sellers. This was their recent defend. Okay, we came up, tested, came back. Now we tested this zone. So here's the battle of order. I'm looking at this POC. Holy shit, I'm freezing. Oof, fucking cold. Bro, this is going crazy. I'm trading like a monster. Okay, nice. Yes, that will be okay. Fine. Look at this. Okay, sellers entering. Let's see if buyers accept this, or if we go lower, I can expect a squeeze. because all of these that defended. I want this buy zone to be destroyed in order to take another short. YouTube videos. What are your deep trades contracts? I think we're at 40. Yes, 40. Interesting to see now. It seems like they will fail. And if we go lower, oh, oi, 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 okay. They are punching a wall right now. Holy shit. They are punching a wall. I killed my trade. I went with the stop enter here. But when you see this sellers and no results in that seconds, you understand somebody's fucking holding. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna reach it? Nice trade. I'm scaling. Take profit. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, I'm out. Good trade. Did you guys take it? Though in my country, whoa, what are you? Okay, if you extend the volume profit, it's currently sitting on the poke. Yes. Though in my country, I'm only allowed to trade CFT. Damn, bro. Deepchart is the best order flow, kinda, but 1K for spread. Yeah, I know. I did my daily. Good job, bro. Yeah, nice. Damn, that was fair. I did take that. Good shit, guys. We all saw it, huh? That's good. This means that we're doing something right. We saw the battle. The reason my first entry was here on the stop sell limit here. But when we saw, in that second that I saw that these sellers getting shit on, kill the trade, it went all the way up here. And then I put my stop sell entry here, because if we come back here, this guy's gonna reload. And good shit, guys. I am holding towards the poke. Okay, nice, bro. Yeah, I also took, but half size, nice, more. Smash today, 80% win rate, long nice day, so easy to trade. Yeah, I'm up $90. I want to see if I can make 60 more, and then I'm done. So you did the squeeze setup? Yes. But it looks like the first entry was shit, so I lost $10 because of this. Re-entry here, and I won 60. Same here, but just to profit at the value high. Nice. It's really going to value. By just volume analysis, sellers getting wrecked at the bottom doesn't instantly invalidate the setup. Yeah, I know, but it's it wasn't the time. Because look at, if I held the trade, it came all the way up here, and set my stop loss. My stop loss was up here. If you expect a squeeze, then we should get what we saw after, like this. It should go fast. It shouldn't stop. It stopped here like a wall, and you saw we were like up, 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 and then we started going higher. Bro, the squeeze setup is like cheating. You're just betting on the price to run. Yeah, and it actually does. Yeah. Whoever traded the short before marked up is a nice profit. Yeah, whoever took this short that we called up here, so this is making good money right now. Now, this is a dilemma. Aggressive sellers, price came down. What the fuck? Price came down. This guy is getting shit on. I don't know if we touch value area high. We were close to poke. This could have been a setup. Hmm. I think some. What the fuck is. Okay, let's see what this is all about. We got these zones. Look at these gaps. Sorry. Okay, let's see. I wish I did take the trade. No worries, bro. We practice. You learn here. It's fine. You will take it next time. On the rain for the rain, the moves are fast as fuck. Yeah. I did short on the open. That's the reason I'm done for the day. Good job, bro. I swear I can never find the real move. Most time it's always a short internal move. Yeah, timing. That's also my biggest issue. But that's something that comes with time. And most importantly, to focus on is just finding the areas. Timing comes with time. You will understand better the more you trade, like Fabio says. But I agree, I also have issues with that. If I'm already in the trade, I usually trade my stops above this small consolidation because if there is a real flip, I want to be out. But if not, I ride the wave. Good shit, bro. Yeah. They feel imbalanced and continue. Yeah. This is value area high. We got some buyers stepping in. I think they took some profits. Poke is down here. Yo, my hands are fucking freezing. My win rate is mostly shit because of the timing. If I master this, I should be fine in the market because mostly I find the direction of the reversal. Yeah. The open was here. There was a range. Buys got fucked at the low. So it was nice breakout 2 minutes before open. Then I did a 6R on that follow the first minute. Good. Nice. Violet rectangle is indicator name. Explain it's working. It's deep effort. And I cannot explain how it works. I don't think we all try to understand it, but we don't know how it works fully. We think if somebody knows fully how it works, please share. 1 second, guys. I think somebody is shooting fireworks in on some car or some shit. Wait, what the heck? Okay. I keep fixating on the volume profile and never take buys at value area high, even though we have broken it and are trending. I keep saying, okay. My tip: analyze battle of order. Just analyze the big orders. I was also just fixated on the volume profile, but as soon as I watch just the battle of orders, it lets me take the trade. Before I was like, okay, shit, wait, I couldn't even execute. It doesn't matter if you can't explain it until if you make, yeah, if you make money out of it. If not broken, why, why fix? Or is some saying of that? I think it's something like that. Just use it. Okay. Something super clearly. Look at these sellers getting destroyed. No results. You see, it plotted right now. I want to see something. Okay, I don't know. Can you show me the 1 minute time chart with big trade indicator, please? Sure. But yes, it's not. It doesn't work on the 1 minute, right? Or no, I think that was something Fabio said. It doesn't work on the 1 minute. It's based for fee 40 range chart. Okay, did we get our reaction from value area high? This feels still weird for some reason. Thank you, that was cool. Yes, no worries, bro. I'm gonna create a poll on Discord. I want to know how many guys wants to do the back testing sessions on Saturdays. Okay, I created a poll on Discord. If you guys let me know how many guys wants to do back testing sessions on Saturdays. You can Pablo, how you plot volume? Wait, one thing. Order flow. What is the bias? Short. It was short. Now I don't know. What we should be protected on those aggressive sellers from the move down. Yeah, you were watching this? Yeah. Good eye, bro. Correct. You had a trader. Order flow is just volume profile and big trade. Sometimes delta S is noise. Yeah. Pablo, how you plot volume profile? Which range you choose to plot? I plot volume profile based on the data I want. So, for example, if I want data from this swing, for example, I want to know where buyers might step in. Let me just plot out this swing, and then I can watch the levels. But you said something. Which range you choose to plot? How about you come on Saturday? Join on Saturday when I do the backtesting session. If enough people want, then I can show you more. So we can just focus on the trading here. But it's okay, bro. It's keep asking if you have questions. Join. Yeah. Yes. If you guys want, just join the Discord and vote. So I know. For sure, we want to see the backtesting session with you. Okay. Nice. Yes, show the backtesting session. Okay. Dang, those levers are so tight and precise every time. Okay, I will ask it. Okay, nice, bro. Yeah. The thing you said, Pang. Can I call you that? Pang. I'm only that's my prior focus, just plotting the zones, the most valid zones, and timing comes with time. It's not so important now. We just have to try to, if we know the zones, You can take entry 100 ways, but you can't spot this best zones every time because there are not that many good zones. Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? Let me fix this. Now you focus. Yes. Oof, I'm gonna eat good today. New Year, tomorrow. It's gonna be exciting. Yeah, 50-min delay. Exactly. To get the live data, you have to pay $19 every month for DX feed. You can do it through the platform. They have this option. You can buy a DX feed directly from Deepcharts or through Deepcharts. Fucking freezing. I think I solved my issue with Top Step. I just have to... Yeah, I solved it. 50-min delayed means you just have 50-min delayed of data. So now time is 16 o'clock, or for you guys maybe 10 a.m. So just 50-min delay on that. Bro, show us how to know the bias of the day and how to mark the zones in short. Super easy. Look at the left side. So we started the day knowing that we have shifted lower and the previous day was like this. So it was, this day was inside of this day. So this was yesterday. I just merged them. And we know that we saw from this shift lower that we were bearish. And we also saw from pre-market that we were below the value area from this day. So just a retest here. Trade to this POC. So from balance to balance. And we took quite some good trades today based on that. So just to finish that, watch how we shift. If we shift higher, we are bullish. If we shift lower, bearish. And we also have to look at the composition profile. But yeah. Do you also use cumulative delta? No, I'm going to start to use it because some of my fellow Discord traders have shown me that it's a good tool to use. Really good. And I understand it why, because you can see absorption, you can see exhaustion, and gives confidence to when to take trades. I would take a short from that bearish zone because it is in line with the bearish deep trades. Yeah. Good luck, bro. The only thing I'm watching right now is this. Okay. Why can't I even... Look at these sellers. Destroyed. We clearly see the battle of order here. But it looks like buyers are now winning. Let's see. Weekly profile is needed. No, not what I'm using. You should watch the books here from all in there, bro. Yes, I agree. Yeah, go watch that. Bias. Fabio also sees the bias like this. I took the mentorship or the boot camp, and I explained everything I learned. So everything that I learned is from Fabio, but obviously he's 100 steps above me. So yeah, he's using what I'm showing. So bottom step ain't mess with you today. No, bro. Or in the beginning it did. I tried to take a trade and then and kill it after 1 second, but it refused for like like a whole 45 seconds. But I won $25 on it and I was negative 50. Right, bro. I'm a bounce. Nice ending of the year. I'm already locked out on all my accounts. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, bro. Good job, bro. See you next year. I sent you an example on Discord about CFD with recent trade. Yeah, I think it was you who showed it. It was really good. Thank goodness, Lord. Yeah. It did behave. It behaved on 2 trades here. But up here in the beginning, it's fine. I'm gonna change prop from either way. So if I won't lose this account because obviously I'm not going all in on trades. And it will let me close eventually. Bro, the yellow marked zone, is where the price will bounce most likely? If so, how? Do you mean the big one? That's the value area high and the POC from this day. Or if you mean the big one up here, that's also that's a lot of other stuff. Or do you mean these small ones? These small ones are just battle of order zones. Left chart profile big one. Okay, yeah. It's value area high and POC. I just do a big zone out of them and then I can take, if it allows me. And then I just marked out this whole zone because all of this delta aggression. So this, and it also has POC inside of it. So it just becomes one big zone. That's it. Let's see if we can get a trade. I need $60 more to be eligible for 2 days because then I made 150 on first. And now I need just use that top tier account for more practice. Yeah, exactly. Just for practice. Fucking hell, my fingers are fucking cold. For volume profile, do you take trades on the value areas from the extended hours profile? If you mean the left chart, no, that's RTH. But if you mean, do you take trades off the value from, yes, if you mean the right side. This is extended. Or can you explain it? Do you take trades off the value areas from the extended? On this side, only RTH, and these zones are the ones I'm only trying to play my trades off. So nothing with extended on this side. But on this side, yes, it includes extended. Can you show me the volume profile of this consolidation? I meant left, sorry. Yeah, this is RTH. I only take trades based on RTH levels. I don't use extended. Neither does Fabio. However, say that we want to take a trade here, and I saw, which we look at pre-market. Pre-market, we came down here. So in London session, we already tapped into the zone. So when we open up here, that's why I was confused if we will go higher or not, because we have already tested this zone in London session. But yeah. But in short, yeah, I only take trades based on RTH levels profile. How to get template on the left, Deepcharts. You go to template, you go to load, you go to full version, you go to. Oh, it's not showing. Wait. I'm looking at my stream right now. Ah, it's not showing, bro. You have templates on the cloud. They offer it. It's from Fabio's template. It's cache session template. So it has to touch it in New York session and not London. No, it can touch it in New York. In London session, it can touch it, and then we might have just exploded up. It doesn't have to touch it in just New York session for it to be the move, if you would say. He can touch it in both. I think it's the enter and the reason on top key level A plus model. You mean up here? Or wait, on the absorption. On the, I think that it's the enter on the absorption and the retest area on top key level. On the open. Oh, you meant this trade? No, on the open research top key level. If you meant this trade, then yeah. Prime time to enter. Unlucky we didn't enter, or I didn't enter. I think somebody did. Was it you? Yeah, that two retest candle below the zone. Yeah, okay. Yeah. You also had this zone to enter from. You see this aggressing, you enter here, or you even have this. Yeah, a lot. It was a lot of. If you, for example, see an absorption, okay, if you, for example, see an absorption of the sellers in the value area low of this consolidation, it's a good trade targeting value area high. Okay, in this consolidation, you mean if we see some absorption here, and you are thinking we can take a trade, I assume, up here to value area high. Is that correct? I'm gonna wait till you answer that. But how many range candles do you need to move away from absorb to no buyer said we're absorbed? Ooh. How many range candles do you need to move away from absorb to no? I don't think I can. One on the range chart. We trade below where they, for example, if we look here, these sellers pushing, these buyers are, what the fuck is going on here? We got a battle here. Wait, let me just, on this candle, you see these big buy trades on this close. We traded below it, so you just need one, I think. Damn, I take amazing short after market, but I took some silly trade pre-market and now break even off the. It's fine, bro. It's, you learn, and we don't repeat mistakes. That's it. Maybe I mean reversal mode only if there's aggressive buying, like I will react on predict. Exactly. Yes. This is good. Look at this. Aggressive sellers destroyed. Buyers break even, but no, they won this. I enter on this candle, and now I was occupied with answering, but yeah, there's your trade. You can even break even now and aim for value area high. Exactly. Yeah. Look at this gap. Look at this gap. I want to see maybe a refill, and let's see what happens. Statistics says we will go higher after a fill. How much higher? No idea. There's your other trade, and boom. So entry here. Maybe you could put your stop here, 2 to 1. Does the bubble have different color on the low, like green one? Yeah, this bubble, I don't know why it's weird. Same idea. Did everyone see that gap fill? This is statistically, Fabio says that, okay, I don't know, I don't remember how much it was, but did everyone see this idea? 2 to 1 in like, what was it? 5 seconds, 10. Unfortunately, I won't be able to take this trade because it takes me like 5 hours to execute something and to kill the trade. So, but one day when I can trade on Deepcharts, I will be able to take these quick scalps. I don't like bubbles. I call it balls. All right, bro. Wasn't it you who said you like OF, but you meant order flow? You said... you said something like, I like OF. I don't mean that thing or something. Yesterday. Crazy. Sus, how to merge profiles. You right click on them at the bottom and then you merge plus. Hey, yo. You like it when it giggles. What the? Okay, guy. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Bro got the big balls on the candles. He doesn't like deep trade. He likes... Oh, shit. Damn, I didn't... Fuck. Oh, shit. Nah, Aden is a brother, bro. He knows his stuff. I read his comments. He knows his trading. Man, this is one, yeah. Do you know, you guys know, what's that guy? He's bald. He's from World Class Trading with Patrick Nealand. And he's a like hyper scalper. I think he usually takes these trades. Like these, super quick. I forgot his name though. But he's in the team of those world class traders or something. Oh yeah, Sergio. You mean D Money? Yeah, I mean Sergio. That guy, yeah. He's hyper scalper, like I think he takes those type of trades like seconds. That was an example of a like 5-second trade. Whoop. Aggressive sellers at the bottom. Yeah, that's high. Yeah, exactly. Super short time frame. Okay, we got aggressive sellers at the bottom. Let's see if buyers will protect. Whoa. Looks like not. Break above, we'll break below. Here is POC. Aggressive sellers trapped on POC. Can you describe how breakout looks like, for example, breaking this value area low? Like this, I guess. You see sell aggression below. And you can also watch the tape, and you can also watch if the candles become bigger. So, for example, but that's more on 1 minute time frame. Um, you see aggression below. There's your breakout. Prop firms doesn't allow trading seconds trading profit, right? What's it called? Top Step does. Took profit at 69. Good shit, bro. What was your entry? Oh yeah, you entered off from here, right? Or was it that? Buyers at the bottom. Aggressive buyers, sellers getting destroyed. POC. Will we get something here? Yeah, the retail saw the legend near the POC we target. Nice, bro. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Will we get the explosion up? I want to see something here. Value area high. Retest. Let's see. Well done, bro. Thank you for joining. Happy New Year's. Yeah, I got break even. Fuck. My fill was up here. And my take profit was up here. And now it goes. Yeah, Fucking hell. Unlucky. But it's good. Look at the idea. Boom, retest. I want it to be filled here. But yeah. Dios míos. Shit goes not so fast. 40 contracts. Sellers still protecting. Yeah, let's see. This would have been a good trade, man. When I saw this, I wanted to enter here, but when I pressed it, entered here. It went so fast. But this was the retest, and yeah, and there was my trade. Fucking hell. I'm off. See you next year. Good luck, bro, with your trading if you're gonna trade more. And yeah, happy New Year's, bro. I guess the boss weren't on you. Okay, buddy. Okay. 16:23. Damn, I have to go soon. W boss. W boss, bro. Odaklis. I'm Serbian, but I'm also from a European country. Another European country. But I share that I'm from Serbia, but not the other country. Damn, this was such a good trade. Look at this. 1 to 4.3. Shit. Aggressive sellers at the bottom. Here's the battle. If sellers lose this level, where did they have control? Up here. Čujem da ti je naša klasija Balkan. But my Srpski isn't the best because I'm originally not born there. My parents are from Serbia. Greek. Ah, nice. Balkan. But my entry was worse than yours. I'm still in the trade. Where did you enter? I think you're up now, right? You should be up. Guys, press the like button and we are third and I got the like button and we are third. It's fine, bro. I don't care about YouTube. It's just for for educational. Or it's like a journal. I'm not here to make money from YouTube. It's fine. And I'm out. Thank you for that money. Entry was here. Stop loss right below. And take profit at the high of this box. Did we all understand why this happened? Like I said, if this was the battle. If sellers lose this zone, next protection zone up here. Pozdravi, brate od Balkan. Dobro. I don't know. Is that Cyrillica or Latinica? I forgot. I can read it, but it takes me some time. Greetings from Bulgaria, bro. The Deepcharts. Amazing, bro. And too long on the break. Now we're done. Good job, bro. Everyone. Okay. I like it. We're all in sync. Yes, okay, that's Cyrillica. Okay. I need $30 more. And then I'm 2 days down for eligible for a payout. So 150. So I need just 20 more. And then we continue. But we all saw this, right? Damn, order flow is so cool. Like when you understand why and stuff happens, then it's amazing that you can capitalize on it. Like we've been calling some stuff here. I'm not Fabio, but you've seen how I call it before it happens. That's true purely from studying Fabio stuff. It's like an X-ray vision. Exactly. So I have studied his stuff quite a lot now. And this is all from him. I'm just passing it forward to you guys. Everyone is eating. Yeah. Today was a good day. I'm up to $120 on my founded. I missed this trade. It could have been like $80 more, but who cares? Yesterday I lost one trade. One other trade was a win, but I couldn't close it, so I lost it also. Then I took 2 trades after the stream, and I won them both, so I was up $30. Then I tried hyper scalping, and I got shit on a level that I didn't believe I could get, that I would ever how do you say it? Experience. So I lost $60, something like that. But it's fine. Have you traded Nasdaq before, Deepcharts? Last 6 months I was looking at S&P, so Nasdaq and now moves weird to me. Yeah, I've traded Nasdaq before Deepchart. Last month. Nasdaq moves weird to me. I don't know, man. Feels the same for me, like lots of moves, flicks. Typical Nasdaq, it takes you out and explodes. But this time we are on the right side of the market. That's why we are catching a lot of trades. Actually, today, only wins, no losses. All trades we're calling, only wins. S&P is so much lower. Yeah. S&P, yeah, I know it. We get the move maybe 1 time or 2 times, and that's it. That's it for the month. Nasdaq, it gives you 50 moves. That's why, yeah, truth. I've never used 40 range, but now when I tested it, holy shit, why did I use 1 minute? That makes no sense. 40 really, literally makes sure that I don't get shit on. That's for sure. Who was it that took the trade here? Ryan, are you still in the trade? Or are you aiming for maybe value area high or something? Because you should have gotten a good pay here. That's why it's better. Yeah. Why you prefer the 40 over 1 minute? Like he said, 40 range, it's close to 5 minutes actually. And it has nothing to do with time. So you won't see all of that bullshit. You will see just price, 40 range. And it takes out the noise, basically. And you're also trading on a high time frame, technically, because it's more in correlation to 5 minutes. No, I exit. Okay, nice, bro. Yeah, he's like, 1 minute's like too noisy if you trade. Exactly, yeah. Value area low. Did they communicate on a Mac version? I'm tired of Motive. No, they haven't fixed it, but I think they will. They most likely will. I don't know when though. I tried to scale in, but I was a little scared, so I closed it. Okay, that's fine. I've noticed something that helps me is that go for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Pick something. 1 to 2, you will have more wins. Trust me. Yeah, that it. I hate to have a trade that's in profit, because that's when it starts. Your blood pressure start to boil. Like it's because it starts to pump because you get nervous. You don't want to lose that profit. So just aim for 1 to 2. Let it go. If it goes to the moon, you made your 1 to 2. I use Mac, but I use Parallels and it works fine. All right. Seems like the market is starting to slow down. I think I'm gonna try to gamble myself $30 to get done with this and call it a day. If I don't win it now, then yeah, might close it just. Or we have 28 minutes. It's fine. Look at all of this buy aggression. Why? Sometimes Deepchart doesn't let me. Look at all of this buy aggression. Yeah, I would try to take my piece of the pie and walk. Yeah, exactly. You will make a lot more money based on that. That's something Fabio said quite a lot. Don't go for the hero. Take your money, and that's it. Honestly, bro, trading the 5-minute orb, 50 more, and the initial ban and the volume is game changer. They've been yeah. It's I know, I understand what you say. I agree. All of this, bro. Prior to this, I traded ICT. Yeah. Not one payout in like 2 years. Then when I studied Fabio's stuff, order flow from YouTube, not his bootcamp. And I had my model that was, yeah, and by the way, somebody wanted me to talk about that model. I can talk about it later, but I made my first payout with it after 4 months of studying it. Be consistent, like he said, we don't need to be greedy. Exactly. 5 years in Aranda, yeah, bro, I was a hard ICT trader. Same. Yeah, we all was ICT traders. It took just 4 months after quitting ICT, I took my first ever payout. That should sum up shit that, fine, it can work, don't get me wrong, but now that you know order flow, we can all admit that we traded it blindly as fuck. Like, you understand what I mean. Now we see the orders. We know what moves the market. We know how value works. Low volume node, high volume node, delta levels. Prior to this, we watched the market just by looking at the candles. So by the results of volume. Yeah, OF is the best. Hey, yo. Okay. Can you write? No, I have to take a screen. I'm gonna save this, bro. Y'all are cooked. OF. I have watched your summary from bootcamp. Thank you for this. I still haven't found time to watch the whole videos of his. How is it different bootcamp versus private progress? Andrea. Fabio, Andrea talks about theory and explains it. He also knows his stuff. Obviously, he's learned his stuff from Fabio quite a lot. But Fabio, he grabs you by the neck, takes you to the chart, to the live charts, and says, watch. This is what's gonna happen. And it happens. After finding out that ICT failed multiple times with Robin Cobb, dang, volume profile and order flow is the key, not some guru on the internet. Take it from a guy who's on the trade. Yeah, exactly. I was so tired of all this bullshit for ICT traders. So I searched and I found obviously no information about Fabio before. I found Tom Hugard. I found all of these legends. But from then Andrea, so Andrea opened the door for everyone, to be honest. Thanks to him, we got Fabio. I have watched Fabio's webinar multiple times, yeah. He's the best. Yeah, I agree. Regarding fake gurus. So obviously, it will come a time, guys, when I won't be live streaming anymore and I'm done with YouTube, because this is where I want to make my money, my income. And sorry, my body. And after that, if you enter, or if you go to somebody else, please have them be transparent. That's all. And make sure that they have gotten their knowledge from somebody that's eligible. Like, that knows his stuff. Or get the boot camp from Fabio's Deepchart and do your thing. But essentially, if somebody's watching this from any time in the future, pick your trading guru. Like, make sure he knows his stuff. Make sure that he live trades. That's for sure, and make sure that he shares his track record. If he doesn't share anything, then that's a clown. That's not a trader. Is it worth watching? Took a short when buyers got fucked. Here, you made money. Is it worth watching Andrea's part or focus on Fabio stuff? You know the big stuff. Watch everything. Watch everything. I learned some stuff from Andrea also. Like just some small things, but it's just watch everything. Take your time. You don't have to rush to make money. Trust me. Man, don't quit this YouTube. Like this is made for learning also. Yeah, I'm not gonna. It won't be anytime soon now. But eventually, after learning, and I can say this with confidence, if you guys also put in the time to learn this with me every day and so on, we're all gonna get so much better. We're gonna make money trading, and when you do so, I wouldn't want to be online on social media. You know, the world is kind of fucked up right now. People are, a lot of stuff is happening, and if people know that you make money, good money, there's no point in being on social media. How much is the bootcamp from Fabio? I think $299 or $399. Yeah, if you're trading Ice Tea now, what are you waiting? Silver Bullet, Fair Value Gap, then what the fuck are you waiting for? Do you think we can get more value from Fabio bootcamp over your YouTube recap of his boot? Yes. Treat mine as like summaries, recaps. Obviously, somebody that's watched the bootcamp knows that what I'm mentioning is exactly what he mentions. It's the same. I think you can make it just by watching these live streams and my summaries, because everything that I'm using now is that's it. The only difference is he explained it in 12 hours. I tried to keep it in 5 to 10 minutes, and now I'm also trading what I've learned. So it's up to you. But obviously, if you want to, where he explains a whole lot of other stuff, like I can explain to you maybe, oh yeah, here's a short, and say here's a short. Okay, Fabio can find maybe 20 shorts in this zone. Like, for example, you understand, he knows a lot more than me. So, and maybe you feel more confident in the things in the stuff that you get to learn when it comes from his mouth and not mine. Because who am I, bro? I'm not a professional trader. What broker are you using? I'm trading on Top Step X. Yeah, but trading with a group is way better than trading alone. It helps you not to take. Yeah, that's true. Where do you find it? On Deepcharts platform? They have a search online, Deepcharts. They have some Christmas discount right now, 30%. But I don't know if you get the bootcamp. I think they removed it, maybe. Or is that the Viva behind the candlesticks? No, I don't know what that is. That's from Fabio's algorithm. Does he go over IVB in the bootcamp? He goes. Andrea does. Fabio mentions something fast, something little. What was like 3 minutes about it, but it's super. It's nothing difficult. It's just IVB high, low. If you break it with volume, you get the projection area. You aim there, and statistics say 80% you reach it. Something like that. We will be one day, bro. Just keep working on it. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are value area low on the current day's profile. We touched it. I just need $30 more and I'm done for today. $29 to be precise. Yeah, bro. Do you not use the IVB often? Nah. No. It can give me a direction. Say that we see the IVB is towards short, so we get that. Then I know, okay, I want to take trend trades in that direction. Or if IVB shows consolidation day, you just want to take trades in mean reverting model. Okay, this looks interesting. No buyers are entering though. I can't find the bootcamp anywhere. That's why I asked. I think they removed it then. You know what? Hmm. How about you? I'm not gonna say anything. No, write me on Discord. I'm not. I know you. How can I say it? Write me on Discord. That's it. Maybe I can. I'm not gonna say anything because this is. Yeah. Is this a range short? Yes, 40 range short. Your message got retracted. I guess you have to take deep, then you get the bootcamp, right? Yes, but from what I've heard, they don't offer the bootcamp anymore in the package when you buy Deepcharts. It's back, actually. I'm planning. Okay. Check. Then you can check it out. Yeah. If value area low broke, you short? No. No. Look where we are. Point control, high value area high, and a high volume node. Look where price reacted perfectly. High volume node that is in with this POC. I'm not interested in shorting here. If I'm gonna short, I want to do it here. Here, look at this. If we trade below this zone, this is all low volume nodes. You can expect a big move here. Right now, we are at defense zones. You can ask Deepcharts if you want it still. Okay, then do it. Yes. Oh my god. 47, okay. Can you link your? You should find it on my bio. In if you just view my what's called. I have my Discord channel link on my bio on YouTube. And just go in there and just message me. You can join the server. Yeah, wait for the last line of defense, then we go short. I haven't even watched where we are in. I reached a point where I just watch. I mostly watch just the Battle of Order because that moves the market. And then want to see on this. Let me see this. Here we have this zone. Then we have this zone. You see, so defensive zones. Price comes here. Expect buyers. Price come here. Wait, let me show you so you guys see. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. But I don't think we will come there today. It's yeah. How do you do that drawing? I press here on. Let me just see if it shows when on my screen. Let me see, or on my stream. It doesn't show. Okay. On the settings, when you right click on this left side, you can go to drawing tool from other charts, and then you can import them here. For some reason, it doesn't show. I don't know why it doesn't show the settings. Okay, market seems like it's dead. Was that it? No more trades, huh? Can you make, do they have a TPO chart template? Ooh. Please write that in the Discord server. They have templates. I have not looked through them though. But please write in the server and see. I can watch, just see fast now if I see something. From what I've seen, I don't think they have, maybe. Purple rectangle, the chart represent. That's deep algo, and no one knows what it does, what it represents. It just works. It's Fabio has studied for like 5 years or something, and this is his algorithm for when to enter. But it's based on least path of resistance. That's it. That's all we know. More than that, I can't explain, to be honest. We got 2026 before gate GTA. Okay, bro. Yeah, okay. Yeah. GTA. I think I will have time to get married and get kids before before that game comes out. I think it's capturing low volume nodes, but not 100% sure. We have discussed it. We know, neither of us know. Can I maybe make $30, $29, and I'm done for today? I just maybe because all I see now is this ping pong. Look at this shit. We're just stuck. 8 votes. Okay, we have 8 votes that said they want to do backtesting on Saturdays. Okay. Here is the example. Oh, nice, man. I'm watching your whoever sent it in. What's your name? R in Discord with the cumulative delta. Ah, okay, okay. That's nice, bro. I think. Oh wait, I thought I was reading something else. Okay, I'm gonna watch answer you guys later on Discord. I'll see your messages. Oh, we're gonna get something. Like, what the heck is happening? We just stopped. Guys, we got New Year's. In like 7 hours. Huge sellers there. Yeah. This seems like nothing's gonna happen anymore. Okay, let's see what happens. Aggressive sellers at the bottom. Are we gonna get some follow through? I'm gonna try to risk my profits to make that $30. So yeah, I just try to risk what I made today. Okay, and I am in long time ago, and holy shit, I made quite some money. Entry was here, stop loss was here. Boom, 2 to 1 in 1 second. Wait, how did, oh my god, my top step is again. Okay, no, never mind. That's it. I was watching something else. Okay, good shit, guys. That was my last trade. Win again. Seems like we're gonna fall more. Nah, it was on my end now. It wasn't top step. I was pressing wrong button. I lost $12 because of that also. So I'm $138 now. Fucking hell. I need $11 now to get 150. It was my fault. Maybe I can scalp it quickly here before. Look at this buy aggression, sell aggression getting shit on. I wanna see this. 52.50. All I'm saying is if we go up now, these sellers maybe have to cover themselves. What evaluation did you get? The normal one. You need to get 3,000 and you have to make, yeah, just that. I didn't get anything instant funding or something. So 50K account, just normal. Can we get $11? Come on now. I want to go eat and celebrate New Year's. You know what I want to see? Something like this, to be honest, because then we should see something moving higher. What the fuck? I made $15 and now it gave me only 7. Those big red bubbles resist price in that area. Yeah. Okay, now Top Step is acting up again. I need $5 more. But I made 15 when I killed the trade. Yeah, these trades are, I'm just, what's called, I don't know how to say it in English, but when you try to, wait, let me just search it up. Hip forward. Okay, never mind. It's Seconds trading allowed in top step. Yeah, I think so. Ride along, go with the flow. Yeah, I'm just trying to make the account pass $115. So I can go like $3, $2, $1, $1. Like hip. I don't know how to say it. That should have been my last trade, man. What the fuck? Oh my god, this piece of shit. I need $5, $7, $6, something like that. How much you risk? Just one micro. Happy New Year, man. It's officially hearing. Happy New Year's, bro. Holy shit, you guys have now. Damn. Happy New Year's, man. And to everyone else that's celebrating. Can you take me up to something before I'm just trying to like make $5 more. Come on, man. And when I'm trying to do that, I'm gonna lose. Yeah, okay, it's fine. I'm gonna call it today. Guys, Happy New Year's to everyone, and see you next year. Hope you guys have a good day today. Careful. Yeah. I'm gonna watch it. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm done. Bye bye, everyone. See you next time.